3, 2, 1.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to RWS. In today's episode, we will delve into a profound hadith narrated by Jabir bin Abdullah al-Ansari, focusing on a significant moment in Islamic history and the period of pause in revelation. This hadith is the fourth hadith in the book of Revelation of Sahih al-Bukhari. So narrated Jabir bin Abdullah al-Ansari while talking about the period of pause in revelation, reporting the speech of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. While I was walking, all of a sudden I heard a voice from the sky. I looked up and saw the same angel who had visited me at the cave of Hira, sitting on a chair between the sky and the earth. I got afraid of him and came back home and said, "Wrap me in blankets." And then Allah revealed the following holy verses. "O you Muhammad, wrapped up in garments, arise and warn the people against Allah's punishment. Up to and desert the idol." After this, the revelation started coming strongly, frequently, and regularly. The verses in this hadith marked a significant turn in the Prophet's mission. Also, these verses from Surah Al-Mudaththir were the second to be revealed. The first revelation, as we have learned from earlier narrations, were the verses of Surah Al-Alaq. This hadith teaches us about the Prophet ﷺ initial reaction to the revelation. Overwhelmed and frightened about his life, he even thought he might be dying. This reaction highlights the profound impact of such a divine encounter. However, Allah in His wisdom provided a pause in the revelation. This pause allowed the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ to recover and regain his strength. It was a period of reflection and preparation for the immense responsibility that lay ahead. When the Prophet ﷺ met Angel Gabriel again, though still afraid, his reaction was less intense than during their first encounter. This illustrates a valuable lesson. Embarking on a new journey, such as learning the Quran or Hadith, may initially bring anxiety, but with time and Allah's help, one grows in confidence and understanding. This hadith not only provides us with the historical insight, but also offers a spiritual lesson. It reminds us to persevere through challenges and to trust in Allah's guidance. With His help, we can overcome our fears and embrace the paths we are destined to follow. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.